Rainforest Animals, written by McDonald. Lace up your boots, put on your backpack. We're going for a walk through the rainforest. Rainforests are warm, wet places full of tall trees, beautiful plants, and amazing animals. The rainforest floor is dark and damp. Can you count all the crawling insects? Mosquito, caterpillar, beetle, ant, dragonfly, praying mantis, moth. Insects are small but important. They are a source of food for many animals. The giant anteater uses its snout and long sticky tongue to catch and eat insects. It can eat up to 30,000 ants and termites in one day. Giant anteaters have no teeth. Here's a gorilla family. Gorillas are big and furry and have very long arms. They eat fruit, bark, leaves, and sometimes bugs. Let's climb a tall rainforest tree. What's that sound? It's a red-eyed tree frog. Frogs lay eggs and tadpoles hatch from them. Tadpoles then become baby frogs. This big cat with spots is a jaguar. It can roam the forest floor or climb into the trees to look from above. Unlike most cats, jaguars like water and are good swimmers. A boa constrictor coils around a branch. Its long, scaly body has patterns to help it hide from enemies. Boa constrictors can have 60 babies at one time. A little higher up the tree now, we hear a loud What's that? It's a howler monkey, the loudest land animal in the world. Howler monkeys use their loud voice to scare off other animals. Sloths look forward to nap time. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees, holding onto the branches with their long claws. Sloths are the slowest moving mammals in the world. Let's climb up some more. See that beautiful bird? It's the scarlet macaw. What colors are its feathers? Red, yellow, blue. The scarlet macaw has two claws that point forward and two that point backward, so it can easily grab things. At the tip top now, whose blue wings do you see fluttering? It's a blue morpho butterfly, one of the largest butterflies in the world. The other side of its wings is brown, which helps it hide when the wings are closed. The rainforest is home to so many special animals and plants. Maybe one day you will visit them. The end. Storytime Library with Ilona. Thank you for watching. See you next time.